Southern Building Code Congress International Journeyman examination covers a comprehensive range of subjects essential to the construction industry. The exam places significant emphasis on building codes and regulations, encompassing a thorough understanding of their application and enforcement. It assesses knowledge of building materials and assemblies, requiring familiarity with their properties, installation techniques, and performance characteristics. Proficiency in construction methods and techniques is crucial, covering various stages of the building process from site preparation to finishing. Safety and construction management are integral components, focusing on safe work practices, risk assessment, and project management principles. The exam also delves into electrical and plumbing systems, examining their design, installation, and maintenance in accordance with relevant codes and standards. Mechanical and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are covered, assessing knowledge of their operation, efficiency, and compliance with energy regulations. Energy efficiency is a key area, emphasizing sustainable building practices and technologies to minimize energy consumption. Accessibility is addressed, ensuring compliance with regulations for providing access to individuals with disabilities. Fire safety is a critical aspect, focusing on fire-resistant construction, fire suppression systems, and evacuation procedures. To effectively prepare, candidates should focus on specific areas within the SBCCI codes and regulations. Chapter 1, which covers administrative provisions, establishes the framework for code enforcement and interpretation. Chapter 3 provides essential definitions of terms used throughout the codes, ensuring clarity and consistency. Chapter 4 outlines general requirements applicable to all buildings and structures, setting the foundation for code compliance. Chapter 5 addresses foundation systems, ensuring structural stability and resistance to soil conditions. Chapter 6 covers structural systems, encompassing the design and construction of load-bearing elements. Chapter 7 focuses on exterior walls, addressing their fire resistance, weather protection, and structural integrity. Chapter 10 covers roofs and roof coverings, ensuring protection from the elements and compliance with fire safety requirements. Chapter 11 addresses chimneys and fireplaces, focusing on their safe construction and operation. Chapter 12 delves into energy efficiency, promoting sustainable building practices and reducing energy consumption. Chapter 13 addresses accessibility, ensuring that buildings are accessible to individuals with disabilities. Chapter 14 covers fire resistance, focusing on the use of fire-resistant materials and construction techniques to protect occupants and property. Chapter 15 addresses smoke control systems, which are essential for mitigating the spread of smoke during a fire. Chapter 16 covers special construction types, addressing unique requirements for specific building occupancies. Chapter 17 focuses on glazing and fenestration, addressing their energy performance, safety, and structural integrity. Chapter 18 covers mechanical systems, encompassing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems and their impact on indoor environmental quality. Chapter 19 addresses electrical systems, ensuring their safe installation, operation, and compliance with electrical codes. Chapter 20 covers plumbing systems, addressing water supply, drainage, and sanitation requirements. Additional preparation tips include: firstly, familiarizing yourself thoroughly with the SBCCI exam blueprint. This blueprint provides a detailed outline of the specific content areas covered in the exam and the relative weighting assigned to each area. Understanding the blueprint will allow you to prioritize your study efforts and allocate your time effectively. Secondly, dedicate ample time to studying the SBCCI International Building Code, the International Residential Code, and any local or state amendments that may be applicable in your jurisdiction. These codes form the foundation of the exam content, and a comprehensive understanding of their provisions is essential for success. Thirdly, consider joining study groups or participating in practice exams. These resources can provide valuable opportunities to review the material, test your knowledge, and identify areas where you need further improvement. Practice exams can also help you familiarize yourself with the format and difficulty level of the actual exam. Fourthly, it is important to stay up to date on industry standards and best practices. The construction industry is constantly evolving, and new technologies and techniques are emerging regularly. Keeping abreast of these developments will not only enhance your knowledge but also demonstrate your commitment to professional growth. Fifthly, seek guidance from experienced professionals in the field or consult with building code officials. Their insights and expertise can provide valuable perspectives and help you navigate complex code requirements. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification on any concepts or provisions that you find challenging. Sixthly, effective time management is crucial during the exam. Allocate your time wisely, ensuring that you have sufficient time to answer all questions thoroughly. If you encounter a question that you're unsure of, don't spend too much time on it. Mark it and return to it later if time permits. Seventhly, don't be afraid to ask for clarification if you encounter any ambiguity or uncertainty in the exam questions. The exam proctors are there to assist you, and they can provide guidance on interpreting the questions without giving away the answers. The Southern Building Code Congress International Journeyman examination is a challenging but rewarding step in your career as a construction professional. By focusing on the key areas outlined above, dedicating sufficient time to study, and seeking guidance from experienced professionals, you can increase your chances of success and advance your career in the construction industry. Remember to approach the exam with confidence, stay calm and focused, and trust in your knowledge and skills. With thorough preparation and a positive attitude, you can achieve your goal of becoming a certified Southern Building Code Congress International Journeyman. Good luck!